Sir, I move that Dr. Shantanu Sen, AITC, be suspended from the services of the House for the remaining part of the current session for his unruly behavior, unbecoming of a member of Rajya Sabha yesterday, the 22nd July 2021, by snatching the copy of the statement from the Minister of Railways, Minister of Communications and Minister of Electronics and Information Technology, tearing and throwing it towards the chair, thereby bringing disrepute to this august House.
Motion moved. Those in favor say yes. Those who will say yes, no. Yes, approved. Dr. Shantanu Sen stands suspended for remaining part of the bill. For the remaining part of the session. Suken Sekarai is saying something, please. If others sit down, I can allow you. What is your point of order, please? If a please, Bait Jaye.
1 second.
I have called him.
Sir,
please sit down.
Before I come to my 267 notice, the way the motion has been
Shantanu
moved...
Sen, you have to withdraw from the House.
Sir, 1 second, sir.
Yeah, I am coming.
May I submit?
Please.
You have allowed the Honourable Minister for Parliamentary Affairs to move a motion suspending Dr. Shantanu Sen from the remaining part of the session. But the matter is not in the list of the business, number one. So we did not have any opportunity to react on that, because whether the government is moving such motion, we are quite unaware of it. Because it was not included.
What is
in
the point
list.
of order?
It was not included in the list.
No, I have approved it.
You may approve.
Come to me.
You may approve it without.
No, it is a question of dignity of this House.
Sir,
if you have any other point of order, please.
Sir, I am giving point of order. Look at the rules regarding list of business. Regarding list of business.
Yeah, please.
1 second, please. 1 second, please. Please come to Rule 180 at page 55.
Yes. But don't read the rules. That's the problem.
Please, no commentary between people. Both sides.
List of business. List of business.
Chapter 23.
Huh? Rule? 1 second. Wrongly mentioned here. List of business.
Sukenji.
Sir, please, sir, please. When I am raising it has some substance. List of business. Page 55.
You go through it and then raise it. Meanwhile, I would like to inform Sri K.C. Venugopal. I am giving more opportunity to you. Yes. I agree with you. Yes. Yeah. No, Mr.
Sir.
No, please, I have not given you permission. I am hearing you.
Every day, zero over. This is the only preservative that has been taken away for all these 4 days. And today is Friday, private member day. And this private member day, our rights should not be deprived, should not be taken away by some members. Kindly respect.
Right. No, please don't raise your voice. You have raised your hand, I have noticed it. I have to answer what Mr. Jairam Ramesh has said. The minister has made a statement. Members have a right, as per the president, to seek clarification of the minister. I will talk to the minister, the concerned minister and leader of the House, and fix time for giving clarification on the statement made by the minister. Then, yes, that's what I am saying. That is only what I am saying. Yes, the members, please, Ramesh, that's what I am saying. Allow the House to function, and then minister has to be told that there are going to be clarifications, and will be. No, please. You can't go on making running commentary, Mr. Ramesh. Please sit down. What is Mr. Derek? Mr. Derek, please. This will not go on record.
Sir, my point of order is Rule 258. Now, 258, sir. Now the resolution has come here. None of us have seen the resolution. Yesterday, all the members who were present, after the House was adjourned, there are many witnesses here across political parties who saw the boorish hooliganism of a minister of the cabinet.
This will not go on record. This will not go on record. This is what is happening in the House in the presence of the chair. That is taken note by me. Subsequently, what happened? This has not been brought to my notice except in the newspapers, please. Please.